Hi guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Zaahav again. If this is your first time, thank you, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so that you know when I post a video, okay? So today's video is sort of something that I want to do as my own contribution to whatever's been going on in the world. You know, I've signed petitions or whatever, I've donated to certain organizations, but I just feel like I need to do more, and I don't really want to talk about it because everything that's been going on around the world is just from that's how I feel about it. Like, I just don't want to talk about it. So I decided to do something that's more uplifting on my channel. I kind of wanted to bring this to you guys as sort of my own little way of, you know, supporting the movement, because not even just the movement, supporting my people. Like, these are my people and I want to support them, uplift them, empower them, do whatever I can to make sure that they grow and they keep growing and they don't stop growing, okay? That being said, this video is about Black-owned businesses. I wanted to give you guys 17 Black-owned businesses that you can support around you. I feel like I'm gonna be doing this more often than not. If you guys want your business to be featured on my channel, just submit your business name, niche, contact information, website, Instagram handle. Submit that to my email address, zaahav@yahoo.com. Submissions will end at 12 a.m. on Thursdays and the videos will come out on Saturday. Also, don't forget to submit your locations because you want to attract your target audiences. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, every single business on this list is willing to travel within their own country. For the ones that are delivering, they deliver worldwide. Every single business on the list will deliver to you worldwide. And I did go on their Instagrams to verify the businesses, but that's as far as I did. The first business I'm going to be mentioning today is called Beulah's Nail Shop. The owner of this brand is a certified manicurist and a nail shop. She does pedicures as well. So she's still in the process of getting certified for acrylic, gel, and whatever you need to do to your nails. However, she does great manicures, and I say it like that because she's my sister. I get my pedicures done from her as well, and you have to support family, to be honest, and I'm gonna support her 100%. Now, her Instagram handle is Beulah's Nail Shop. However, it is spelled a bit, you know, with some spaces and some dots and some underscores, so I'll leave it somewhere up here for you guys to see. And she's available to travel within Toronto. She's based out of Toronto. That's about it. Just go contact her, like, do your thing right now. She does great manicure. Now, the second business I want to bring to you guys is called Jay's Chops and Grills. They do all grills and Nigerian foods. They will cater to your events with different grill options. Their Instagram handle is Jay's Chops Grills with underscores in between each word, but I will still leave it right there for you guys to see. They currently do not have a website, so just go on their Instagram and DM them. They're available to travel, but if they're gonna travel to you, you would have to provide the grill, and obviously you would need to negotiate logistic costs and everything, but they are based out of Ottawa. The barbecue is great. I've seen pictures. I haven't personally tried it, but they look good. Like, they cater to services. All right, cool. Now, the next business I'm about to mention is based out of New York, and it is called Wigs by Beauty Rush. She's essentially a human hair vendor. She sells human hair wigs and bundles, whatever you want. Like, she makes bomb ass wigs. I'm just gonna lift pictures for you guys. All right, cool. Like, you see how lovely they are? Like, it's gorgeous. The website launches July 4th, 2020. The Instagram handle for this business is called Wigs by Beauty _Rush. Again, just look at the screen and you'll see the handle. All right, DM her for your human hair wigs because she makes bomb ass wigs. Like, she does. The next business I want to bring to you guys is Alan Uku Photography. This business is based out of Calgary, Alberta, and he is a portrait photographer. He is willing to travel. Just DM him when you want to discuss logistics. He doesn't have a website right now, but his Instagram is Alan Uku. Again, look at the screen. The name's probably already there. Trust me, he takes bomb ass pictures. Like, I even did a FaceTime photo shoot because I can. Just go follow. Go DM him, okay? Now, the fifth business I want to talk about, this is actually the most unique one that sent me an email. Like, I was stunned. Like, I was really stunned. You know, the items are gorgeous. Like, they are. And it's called Zawadi Collections. They are based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and they basically sell athleisure and swimwear. And if you want to buy athleisure and swimwear in, you know, our traditional prints, that's basically what they do. I'm just gonna lift pictures. Let the pictures do the talking. Like, do you see? Oh God, it's so gorgeous. So go support her. Their website is www.zawadicollections.com. and their Instagram is Zawadi Collections. Now the sixth business I'm going to be talking about is called Glossy. I love the name because technically it's glossy, but it's like glossy. Cause I'm glossy, wifey. I know it's icy, but like some icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. That's kind of the vibe that it gives me. It gives me like icy vibes. This is a cosmetics brand. They make handmade lip gloss, lip scrubs, and lip balms. Your lips have to stay healthy because my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. They are based out of Ottawa and Toronto, Ontario. I don't understand, like, why are you still watching me when you could be researching this person? This brand is also a wholesale vendor, and their website is www.gloss-e.ca, and their Instagram is GLO_SSE. Now the next business I'm going to be talking about is also photography, and this business is called Papoose Photography. It's Papoose with an OUS as opposed to OOSE. They are based out of Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and he does professional photography, portraits, events, and weddings. Their website is www.papoosecreativestudios.com, and their Instagram is Papoose Photography. So the next business is Middays Hair Empire. They are based out of Illinois, USA, and they specialize in weaves, hair, wigs, bundles. I can go on and on and on, but you know what I mean, so I ain't gonna front. But you know, I don't know how to rap, so I'm gonna stop because I ain't Nicki Minaj. But you know what? I could be like a low budget Megan Thee Stallion. No? All right, cool. Their Instagram handle is Middays Hair Empire with an underscore. But they don't have a website, and she can be contacted through Instagram. Now the next business is called Bendicion. You guys, see this thing I'm wearing on my head? She can make it in a bonnet. And she's affordable too. Like all the businesses I've been talking about, they're all affordable, but she is like she's super talented. Like she makes one of those two-way bonnets that you can just flip to the side. It could be black and the other side could be pink or whatever. It could be like a textured or whatever. No, she's super talented, and everything is completely handmade. It's so neat. Guess what? You get to choose the fabric before she even makes it. So it's like custom ordered to each person. Her Instagram is Bendicion. That is BENDEECYON. And she can be contacted via Instagram or via email at bendicion@gmail.com. Bendicion is based out of Edmonton, Alberta. Now the next brand is a hair brand, but she does strictly wigs. She's a wig maker. So you send her your hairs and then she will make a wig for you and send it back to you. Sometimes she does provide the hairs as well. The company is called A-Lux Wigs, and they are based out of Ottawa and Montreal. Their Instagram is A-Lux Wigs. I ain't gonna spell it. You're gonna see it on the screen. So what are you looking at me for? Her wigs are gorgeous. And the next business, and I know y'all been waiting for something like this because y'all motherfuckers like food. So the next business is based out of Toronto, Ontario. It is called Oge's Kitchen, like the name implies. Food and catering services, but for Nigerian food. She also makes jerk chicken for all my Caribbeans out there. And for all you who like jollof rice, we all know Nigerian jollof is better. Just saying, just saying. Her Instagram is oge.s.kitchen. Just go DM her. There's no website at the moment. And that's all the information there is. Her food is delicious. She's willing to cater to your services as long as you're within Toronto. Now the next business is called Obi's Cuisine. Is it cuisine? Cuisine. It is based out of Toronto, Ontario, and it is an African food and catering service. They do have a YouTube channel called Obi's Cuisine as well, and the Instagram is Obi Cuisine. I remember I tried their peppered snail. You know what? I'm hungry again. I'm hungry. I'm actually gonna contact them because, oh my God, I'm craving right now. Like I'm really craving right now because of this. So many food people. Oh my goodness. Go to focus. Go check out their Instagram. You can contact them through Instagram and just reach out to them. Feel free. Now the next business is E.T.'s Luxury Beauty Bar. They are based out of Toronto, Canada, and their specialty is human hair wigs. However, the owner did tell me that synthetic wigs will be coming to the website pretty soon. She does sell great wigs as well. The website is currently under construction, but you can reach them via their email address and their Instagram. The email address will be on the screen as well as the Instagram. The next business is called Beauty by Jooms. They are based out of Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and their specialty is cruelty-free mink lashes. They also sell beauty products like lip glosses. Their website is www.beautybydooms.com and their Instagram is Beauty by Jooms. I love the idea that this is cruelty-free. I will definitely reach out to them, probably buy 1 or 2 things just for support. And the 15th business is called Jenny Ray's Fragrances. They are based out of Lagos, Nigeria, and they specialize in fragrances and scented candles. The website is currently under construction, so they don't have a website at the moment, and I wasn't given an official launch date. However, you can contact them through their Instagram at JennyRay_official. And the next business is called Kuma Collections. They are based out of Nigeria, Onitsha, and Asaba. They are a clothing wholesaler and retailer brand for females only, and their Instagram is at Kuma Collection. And the last but not the least business is called Benwino Studios. They are based out of Nigeria. It is a photography business. They didn't specify what type of photography they're into, but they provided me with contact information, Instagram, and their email address to reach out to them. The Instagram is Benwino Studios and the email address is bssstudio4@gmail.com. And that's about it. 17 businesses. Like every single business on here I will be patronizing at one point or the other. Some of them I already have. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see like a shorter list and more videos, or longer lists compiled into like one big ass video all the time, and I will take your criticism or advice under consideration. Serious consideration actually, because I feel like this was just a lot to take in right now. So I feel like I might be doing it in shorter videos, but just let me know if you guys want it in one video, then I'll stick to doing it in one video. I want to say a few things about these businesses. I'm super impressed that, you know, they want to put themselves out there. They want to do this, want to do that. A lot of them are just starting up. A lot of them are still rebranding. So you guys patronizing them helps them to sort of build income to, you know, put back into the business, make it bigger, make it better. So that's what this is about, you know, bringing business for business and bringing customers to business. So that being said, you guys, whatever business you want to patronize, the list is there for you. The Instagrams are there. And that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. All right, guys, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.